Hi, I'm Peter Rust, the General Manager of Vergola, New South Wales. Vergola is the original opening and closing roofing system which was invented in South Australia in the mid-1980s. It won the Prince Philip Design Award and also the Australian Design Award. It's able to control light, heat and ventilation to your outside spaces. A number of design options are available. We custom make all of our Vergolas to suit everybody's particular circumstance. We can have different columns, we can have small spaces, we can basically fit a Vergola into any space that you need, and it provides the versatility where you can shade in summer, and then in winter you can let the light into the house to warm up. So in these days of sustainable design, it's very important to be able to let the summer sun out of the house to keep the house cool, and in winter to allow the heat to come into the house. A lot of people are using them to cover courtyards, patios, verandas and even pool areas. The possibilities are endless. We can put them anywhere you like. We have a number of different design options, the most popular being our flat roof design. We also have a skillion roof, which is essentially a flat roof but tilted on a slight angle. A box frame is a more substantial design option and suits houses that are cement rendered. We're also able to do it in an A-frame as well, and in very special circumstances we can do a curved beam, and also to provide privacy on the side of your property we can put the louvers in a vertical position and provide a privacy screen. It's very impressive louver design. What makes the Vergola louver different from other opening and closing roofs is the aerofoil shape. So you can see it's shaped somewhat like a wing, and the air gap in between the two pieces of ColourBond material provide insulation, so that underneath the Vergola on a hot day, the top of the louver can get hot, but the underneath stays cool. So you're able to keep your outside area cool in summer, and in winter you're able to tilt the louvers to allow the sun to come into the house to get warmth into the house. Now, not only is it just an opening and closing roof, it's a very clever opening and closing roof. We're able to control it with a switch plate and also a remote control. The wall-mounted switch plate can sit inside or outside, and the remote control obviously can be taken anywhere. We also have a rain sensor that's on the Vergola, so that if you leave it open during the day and say you've got your washing underneath the Vergola, if it starts to rain, the rain sensor will detect that and tell the computer to close the roof. Another popular option is to install downlights into the frame, so that at night time not only have you an area that's covered but can also be opened up. So basically the Vergola allows you to entertain in all weather conditions. We have a number of colour options. We have 8 standard colours, and if you need a particular colour we can powder coat to suit. One of the great things about Vergola as a business, and as I said 25 years we've been operating here, is that we manufacture everything in Australia using Australian materials, blue scope steel, and Australian employees to install and manufacture the Vergola roofing system. One of the things we pride ourselves on at Vergola, New South Wales is our attention to detail and our customer service. We try to make the process of designing a Vergola and installing Vergola as hassle-free for our customers as possible. It's really very simple. It's a 5-step process. We have a designer come out to help design and plan the design of your Vergola. There you'll get to choose which way the louvers will open and close, what colours you want, how you want the frame set out. The next step is to move to building and specifications and check measure. A check measurer will come out and double check the salesperson's measurements to make sure that what has been designed we can actually build. We then move to stage 3, which is manufacturing. So we manufacture the components in our factory here at Terry Hills, and we then move to construction. Now, we do construction in 2 stages. The first stage is to build the frame. So that will be the posts and the beams and the gutters. And we make sure that everything is perfect at that point, and we measure up for the louvers. So we generally come back about a week later to install the louvers, commission the Vergola, reboot the computer and set everything up for you. Then we'll show you how to operate it, how to use the remote control, how to use the wall-mounted switch plate, and a few other tricks that we've got up our sleeve when you've got multiple banks of Vergolas. So I hope you found this video informative. You might have seen us recently on the Block All Stars on Channel 9. We were very pleased and very proud to be involved in that particular program, and it generated a lot of interest in our product. So if you need to know any more information about Vergola or how it works or some of your design options, please visit www.vergola.com. vergolanoSW.com.au or give us a call on 1800 802 955.